This video tutorial is to help you understand the assignment we're asking you to do in Contemporary World Studies, working with the DBQ, the European Union. Do the benefits of membership outweigh the costs? First of all, we're going to ask you to write an introductory paragraph to your DBQ. Then we're going to allow you to pick one of a variety of topic sentences and write the body paragraph citing effective evidence and analyzing it thoroughly. Up to this point in Contemporary World Studies, you have been asked to write 3 body paragraphs from 3 different DBQs, and we've gradually asked more of you. The first one, What Makes Hurricanes So Dangerous, gave you a sample paragraph, and you modeled yours after that. Secondly, What Type of Citizens Does a Democracy Need? We gave you 3 different topic sentences with 3 different documents to support those, and you had to pick one. Finally, the last assignment that you had to do with a DBQ project was, is Brazil a wealthy country or not? Where you were given 6 different topic sentences, and you had to figure out which of those topic sentences could be supported with the evidence given. In this assignment, we are adding an introduction before the body paragraph. The essential components of an introductory paragraph are as follows. You need a grabber or a hook. Get your reader's attention. You can ask a question or make a statement. You can actually go to the internet, to Google Land, and find a statistic that is effective or shocking to get your reader's attention. Next up, the next sentence and collection of sentences is going to be the background information. You want to bring the reader up to speed on the topic so that they can comprehend your body paragraph. This information comes from the background essay only. You are not allowed to go to Google World for any of that information. The third thing that is a part of this introductory paragraph is restating the DBQ with different words to have impact, and you can write it as a question. Finally, the thesis statement, which normally maps out the 3 body paragraphs to follow. It's actually, you're going to write it, but you're only going to be including 1 body paragraph afterwards. So here are 2 different thesis statements. You can choose one of these or write something different. So on the positive side, on the left side, the benefits of EU membership outweigh the costs due to economic, political, and cultural reasons. There are ways you can rewrite this to be different, be more specific, but you don't want it to be too lengthy. On the negative side, the costs of EU membership outweigh the benefits due to unequal economic benefit, unequal political power, and loss of cultural uniqueness. The essential components of a body paragraph are the topic sentence, 2 pieces of evidence from the document or documents that best support the topic sentence, and then analysis of the evidence that's in your own words. The 3 documents that we are giving you, document A, it's a gross domestic product map. Document C talks about a relationship between Germany and Poland. And finally, document D that awards the Nobel Peace Prize to the EU in 2012. You need to either listen to the recorded explanation and reading of the documents or read it yourself. There's a PDF that has all of these documents, one right after the other. But then you need to answer these questions. So please choose a different font, a different color, write all in caps, but you need to answer these 3 questions after document A. Similarly, here is document C. It is recorded and attached to this assignment as well. So if you would like it read to you, you can listen to that reading and then answer the questions. And finally, document D, that talks about the Nobel Peace Prize, and it's being awarded to the EU in 2012. End questions. If you take a look at this bucketing slide, you could be writing a completely positive essay, or a positive body paragraph in this case, or something negative. And these letters correspond with the documents, but we've only given you 3, so that's going to limit what topic sentence you should pick. Here they are all of the topic sentences that could be for a positive essay or a negative essay, where the benefits outweigh the costs or the costs outweigh the benefits. You need to pick one of these topic sentences to support. Then you're going to write your evidence. Remember to cite the evidence. If you're directly quoting from the document, use quotation marks and then finish with parentheses, doc A, C, or D. If you're going to describe the evidence in your own words, you can write according to the map, graph, text in document A, C, or D, and then explain it. Talk about the evidence in your own words. Explain why the evidence is important. How does it help support your topic sentence? Think creatively. How can you drive your point home or sell your topic sentence? Now your assignment. In this slide, you're going to erase all this information here, and you're going to follow through with writing your grabber first, then your background information, and then restate the DBQ, and finally type the thesis statement that you're picking to be most relevant for how you want to argue your point. Then for your body paragraph, you are going to, again, you erase this information. This is where you're going to write it or type it. You start with your topic sentence, then type and cite your evidence, and finally, you're going to use your argument section. Good luck. This is a pretty big grade.